was a comedian so enya pascal obeka enche bia ana bro bila ka tro se Felix na akoye no efa press statement Mutaka Mohammed or interior minister edeba ye no efa ne ho no obia press conference ama okeka na adwen akire Mutaka Mohammed say wo chinya sebe na okan Mutaka kan nyina enya no kre ever ha Koomson ho no enya de kondo do gina ha Koomson and boys attack no attack kunu boys mienu san sebe na obeka ya na busia media no so omo asori mu etete no epansam no be ma nchiri mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media me so say ni die mo obe like video no that my boss subscribe button stand by click notification icon of latest update na ba kire wadwen da ma me e wo comment section me so ba so no wa share for so anya bi ahwe ejeje ni incident happen here 2024 election ni mu Felix na ko be ka say how Koomson and boys try to come beku no because of that come 2-2 e board ma hindu aka ni mu ma hindu pick up no e ma pick up na boys beat mu a etuo kan agent boys mienu but when to picture bia me kire e ma asbe buy no ebe shita Ghana hanomo but nansia mu ana Mutaka Mohammed interior minister abi a press conference or address election violences any case e gunu naso e won go yitu mo say awoto sinya east e kaso a the alleged basa na ye claim say e course no bibiasa NC na first na ko na wasa be deny that allegation e ma aseme be bubuja o Ghana ha obi say out of nowhere enra ana Felix na ko ye no osbe gante press conference obi interview na ho no and osbe ke kan adwene e won so osbe clash with report ya Mutaka Mohammed edeba no obi clash with that report e be challenge as one kan be biada wonyina be bia ni Mutaka Mohammed enka sem biada etie nwanwa se Mutaka e kan semwe miwa owie ya no wa makwai amu bia musa no question already wie ya no sorry na pa wo kon baby do twere be to ken kan wa ken kan wie ya na pa wo tu o call baby and here is the case o claim say obi awu a ehemfo na wu ye enipo me no so mo omudin dey say where are the dead bodies omudin dey say ehemfo na ye o mayi ebusiafo wo hene ebesi ne yenko obi aye say election 2024 nkonfu mienu we na wu ye ko mo ye kojo mo ye yenko obi aye bibia ma media no 80 first na call us small can e da ye mu ana say ehemfo na wo kan as me free e ma so be can say we ebe challenge with the statement ya Mutaka Mohammed edebaaye na eno ana bisa ko media ne so a onya se masa onya nkwase asem no sebe ye nya nkwase afo go Ghana no mo wonku awuti me chezo ni nyansa se ye nya nkwase afo onya nkwase akeka no
should take this matter up seriously. I have not paid attention to Nsema Kasia, member of parliament in Tro. Now one man is a Kwenya on press conference. Hey, oh ye kushini papa. This is a very serious matter. Very, very serious matter. That to that extent. And you are still a member of parliament. And the police is looking on. No. Debbie. It can't be possible. How? And your mark kasia wakiken. Mumma fa manyo semuntunche debi am catch the Ghana fool. The rate at which we are abnormal things are normal in this country. You can't believe it. For political power, for political gains, for a certain interest that does not inure to the bigger picture about affecting Penyah positively. Now, you don't even know shame. As a press conference. When you kukudro, kasa. Listen to the Okakao.
To the Honorable Minister of Interior and National Security. I have remained quiet despite calls by well-meaning Ghanaians, including my constituents, who witnessed these brutal attacks. At no time did I say no attack happened. I stated emphatically to the task force that on the election day during my rounds, I noticed my convoy was being followed by a V8 vehicle, allegedly known to be used by Koomson and a Nadmo pickup, which had a green government number plate. After visiting some polling stations, I decided to go home because I felt my life was in danger. So I am convinced that at the conclusion of this investigation, the truer facts will emerge. On the issue of unwillingness of persons who witnessed these acts to testify, this is entirely out of my control. There are videos to some of these attacks, and these are available for the committee to aid their work.
Madam, I don't even know who advised you to come and do this press conference. Go back and play. Whether Okase na Oniho Anana or Nambebi and Oye alleged. Go back and play what the interviews he held with my good brother Captain Smart and then the other people. Just play what she said. Now Wasenya Akukudru Abetina ye Ghana Parliament. Please, Mamunyasa. I am expecting that at this point, Kwano, sebi, can we pose for Krama, we are sharing you now crowd chop every Ghana Fakopa, Yamame Hawakuza. Look at what she's saying this morning. Go back, now it's a press conference, no Okano. Any some Okan, bra ye to Aban say, and more bra. Bompaye mo my Ghana.
It's 20 Kayano, me official Mahindra na me Yusuno, Paticano, and no na me Timubino.
Etuoni kayeno. Etuono e kayeno. Wa official car na usually party car Mahindra no. Etuoni kayeno. And then we'll come back to press conference as kay. Yenti.
It's 20 Kayano, me official Mahindra na me Yusuno, Paticano, and no na me Timubino, and no swana etuono e kaye.
And to one more at 20 pounds, not one more at a car next year, no more to front, and I found one more.
No more to make a
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And you come and do a press conference to talk something totally different from what you have said earlier on. Hey, now mommy wanted to say. How? And that's why sometimes we are tempted to believe that selectivity in terms of the justice system in this country is very, very nauseating. Honestly. Because you lie through like that, and you come back and you are bold, having a press conference and stating otherwise. Yankasa Ghana Interior Minister, Sabi, Ufisa on Ufitia, or Teda Sabrano Mane Kraswana. You are comfortable to come and hold this press conference and to come and lie again? And you are still there. Representing people's interests. Now, dear Koryoo, we are. What can you give to the people of Utusina?
Anapawe, good morning. Jadi said Bibia kama. Sa video that way. NDC from Penyah, especially members of parliament, leaders, made you hoya pa. So omutimidi na Koryoo enim se omeye press conference. Embra mecheche mu se report na muntakade betu dwano. Enye no kware. Made you hoya pa. Mwoma na Koryoo de betu dwano eto onwasuma na. Nesinja femo any conf doyi. Mote hono ode sa your friend is saying press conference no etu dwano na ensem okeka wo mu no na ensem no okeka no mo hwa eta asuma na enti o patch say honorable Mutaka onimu ni left and right and onimu ni oya na omo omko investigation omo nimu ni omo ya na omo nim say omo frem wamba onran kasa omo friend no wamba kase your friend is say bibia sense ana na masinya di nanim so meye press conference embe enkanta ne Mutaka beka ni say enye no kware manimu na egu ase mo mpanifo na mote parliament ho no the next especially next that frame ko ona abetra ne chene comfordo yo mo na minimu di ntina mebo ne amu ye na eyenim gu ase hwe so obi edi ntrato hawa Koomson so na Koryoo edi ntrato hawa Koomson so ema nkofafa maami we hu tan edi enti so omode tu maami we so omode to asema enti se ye kache ne ye kache no ayawa se north violation e course hwene to maami we nkofo de ne ho kan ahye ne tirim ena nkofo nam so ombebo no ombe ni say hwento nkofo ekoto hye maami we so senye nyame na edi afofia nkomuku maami no na omo the report abeto down na mo penifo am parliament ho am se mba turufu sa de oye na enye ese obepache no mumbum mo na madi nanim so be press conference en kanta na honorable muntaka de betu eja no manim aguase mo manim aguase pa na me hwe mu nyina de bia mofo abo no so ene kwa Koomson ochina na eyamo ochina na eyamo ene ya hawa Koomson ochina na eyamo obi edi boni sei obi edi ntru sei a obi aka sei ombra me pache on mat san atena ho adi nanim abegina abe unnecessary press conference press conference and kwas some funko na obekan man dan bin say odidi maame na obi maame obi kunu obi abusua ohwe abusua anke kumanu anke kunu ye jeli na anke jeli ni free matno ha mayo animu fiafia ba betena ho say your friend say eni mutaka kaneye no kware ntura betena kwetena TV3 edi ye eka ho nyina no once nyame ayi musuntoma mon NDC fu mon kosa na mon fasa propaganda ni embu oman no na ebeto mribi mo party na enya akono biom ebeto mribi mo party no enya kono ma ni pampo emba emeye de be emenwan bio because entro any propaganda ena mo di bu mo party no mo nkyere mo nkrofo no mo youth na mo no na mo nkyere mo no kware mo nkyere mo ade ewum medamase
na Koryoo o statement na wa be make no enyumre we na yetie no madam you are lying ADC 2024 no o be ma press statement afi na we read your paper so we were in Ghana and on your TV for interview you said your convoy was short. How a Koomson ne tax ne bouka ni mutuo, even your hands were injured, people died, 2 of your agents died, and you are telling us say a police if one modi nipa komo omo na mo say ne nipa wuwu no. Where are the police to just testify what you are speaking? Madam, stop lying. Now Koryoo, stop lying. We a young girl having about politics mu jai dia mo ye no na some young women e person about politics na said dia mo for so amoya politics na time wo Ghana time you are still lying. You see your convoy was short. O press statement is already you know ya anti was your convoy short or not? Was your convoy short or not? Stop lying, madam. What you when you back now read a story I'm Ghana for. Who read this story? We see your 2 agents were shot dead. 2 agents no omunia busia. And your police want to handle case no. Call them so that we know the truth out of this. You can't cause fear and panic to a ordinary Ghana for. Just said your caswa chaotic because of one election. And how Koomson na yese, and how Koomson na yese, and how Koomson kunkum nipa or botwo. You said all these things. We have it on record. So you came today, sat down, reading your press statement or briefing or whatever. You are lying. You are still lying. It's not nice. I don't know yes sir.
All right, I was having a mission with my man. So, say, ya catch Ramuse, Mukoche, Satan, Busan, say, Simusha, Satan. And now, old now, Sa Quanso, Echisha, Satan. I will NDC. I will just NDC, and one cheese NDC. It was Miss me. Tonya me say sa Satan na yes hwehwe no unya ni bio because ono na sa NDC na wa twe no niama na see from last week best this week from that galamsey issue with the NDC for any na Koryoo ntona mami oba yesi oba wa badaye o a utumi bi wa no twan tro captain smart e back wo. Hey! Me see, through NDC ni, say NDC ni say, kachira o say, we are boa, patro P, one kasa P, no question say, young passe, we are a boana. Niama we nyina ema me kai nsema Honorable Dr. Okuboy ekaye. Mama yentie nsema Dr. Okuboy ekaye mrebi. Osi mudi ya mama yenkwentie bra, yema yentie bra.
Me bahano na bibi ba mitum say the politics of emotional manipulation rather than going for cognitive stimulation. It grants you power but without peace.
That's deep.
Obi. The politics of emotional manipulation. Politics are edipe to me. Yen chire ejuma ye be ya manipa na ye pe to me na afri no ho. Yen chire ideas ayewo na nso ye be hwe asem bi esi. Na ya kanu said that nipa kuma be sorry. Na ne buafu obi a obisa no pa se gina so a obuafu ye de a ontimi nka. Na ye dia fa tumi abetina abemu no. Use emotional manipulation. Tumi be ka unsem na so nhwa ontimi ntine fie enda ahefie. Entine ne MPs bi o wa omuntimi nkofie e wo srem. Because instead of a chia kwa obefa so obeboa ama yakọ enim no the other kind and say where you are because or you say nipa or your tribe say the politics of emotional manipulation instead of cognitive. They say cognitive stimulation. They say foresee you say you be dream before say out of the box. Kwan be na be faso a obi mi no be dream na sebio bokuni kusasi adi. Kwan be na be faso a ochine bi ni kusasi hini ni bokuni ni betime didi e no ba ko. Any man pussy sorry. Enu be ma ye ko hye ma okay enyemfre ahimfo ana yemfre chiefs ana yemfre Supreme Court retired judges ana yenko Peace Council ana yenko ICC ana enu na even no cognitive stimulation say one ma wa dwen no start here den eyi ejuma enu the results the tumi ma wa asomdwe ka tumi no ho because what dream akọ ejuma ama ekitani ama be ma eputro ena asomdwe den aba. Mining, galamsey, or a politician opetumia instead of obey cognitive stimulation. Say, okay, galamsey, day 3, 4, 5 things, ama obetimi bo a remwa or sense you. A juma any ho, a bro, a hand time, a forestry officer, wakoji bribe, and I am man 20, and I am man tanechi, and I politician, and no even cognitive. What starting dream through the problem. Obi. Yeah. Now, uyesa na unsaka tumia. Uyesa uchia obi owo forest area. Utibika say munsua say because when and crofo ye me ba me say. And we cognitive stimulation. But politician be open tumia. Ompe ejuma ye din kwadwo no. O show say hey. Yensua say because okufo do ni na ebusuafo God e wo Ghana nyina mu no mutu. Want to be by TV soon or see God in here, just a Ghana God in here. Want to mean quiet. Now, yes, emotional manipulation. Obi show one cry, obi to be shame or tashi. Doctor, Nakalam say no more there. Change you, no go for me. Because you catch and say, MPP for pay and to gold or Ghana. Now, Odi Sanya to me, it is without peace and harmony. And NDC chairman.
To the wide mama, comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.